Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you pretty silk saree blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, we know that silk sarees have always been a symbol of grace and sophistication. The fabric is finish and give a luxury look. Silk sarees a popular choice for wedding, engagement, festival, get-together, and all other special and formal event. Friends, silk saree is really beauty. Friends, the choice of silk saree blouse design largely depends on our personal style, body types, and occasion. From classic roundneck to a more modern off-shoulder design, each option bring out unique, attractive look. Silk saree blouse design can include everything from simple, minimalist pattern to one that are heavy on embellishment, ensuring that every look feel special and different. Friends, silk saree blouse designs are timeless choice for various occasions. The correct blouse design can elevate the overall outfit and enhancing the beauty of a fabric. From traditional to contemporary, numerous blouse styles perfectly complement silk sarees. Friends, whether opting for intricate embroidery or minimalist design, the blouse play a key role in completing the ensemble. Friends, comfort and style must be a balanced when choosing blouse pattern for silk saree. The traditional design like boat neck or high collar pair beautifully with silk fabric, but modern trend like backless and halter neck blouse have also gained popularity. Friends, we know that depending on the occasion, intricate embroidery or stonework or embellishment can elevate the overall look. The correct blouse design can truly complement the richness and luxury of the silk sarees. Friends, whether you are preparing a classic or contemporary look, these kind of blouse design provide the ideal base for all kind of occasion or embellishment of your choice. The simplicity of a silk saree blouse design allow it to effectively blend with both traditional and modern silk sarees, offering a perfect balance of comfort and styles. Friends, Sakat fabric silk blouse are perfect choice for silk sarees. These kind of Sakat blouse design featuring a rich texture that beautifully complement a various type of silk sarees, especially Kanjipuram silk sarees. Its classic design with a round neck and short sleeve ensure comfort without compromising on style. Friends, this kind of sagat silk saree blouse design can pairly effectively with both traditional and contemporary sarees, elevating your overall appearance with its timeless appeal. Friends, I hope you guys all love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.